morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bugatti. It is part of human nature to break boundaries and to reach new records. To run the 100 meters even faster, or to fly even further into space to discover new planets. Mankind always wanted to know, how far can we go? And can we go even further? People are driven by their aspirations, and so is Bugatti. The development brief for our next chapter, the Chiron, was the shortest I have ever experienced in my entire career, and at the same time, the hardest you can think of. Make the best even better. To accomplish this, we left behind us all the parameters we were familiar with and defined new ones that had never existed before. Where others stop, Bugatti takes one step further. With the Chiron, we have tested the boundaries of physics even further. There is no area where we have not become significantly better. The Bugatti Chiron is the new superlative in the automotive world. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a new dawn for Bugatti. We are opening up the next chapter in our corporate history. Tailored to meet the needs of high-performance sports car drivers in the best possible way. And those who want to hear more than the gorgeous sound of the 16-cylinder engines can turn on the most exclusive and luxurious high-end sound system ever fitted into a super sports car. This makes the Chiron the fastest concert hall on earth. No other super sports car of this caliber completed such a demanding and complex test program. We ran more than 30 test vehicles. The Chiron underwent more than 300 hours in the wind tunnel testing and did more than 500,000 test kilometers up to now. The Chiron complies with worldwide safety standards, and it meets the toughest requirements in terms of quality that exist in the car industry. Ladies and gentlemen, like no other super sports car, the Chiron combines innovative technologies and performance with exclusive design and comfort for the best of the best. The Chiron will be limited to 500 units. Customer response is outstanding and shows that we took the right decision in the development of this car. To this day, we have received pre-orders for 1/3 of the total run. Those who have dealt with Bugatti and its unique selling proposition in the past simply cannot get around the Chiron. The price starts at 2.4 million euros. The Chiron will certainly be built at our headquarters in Molsheim, and we look forward to deliver our first production car to the first customer in autumn 2016. Please be invited to our stand after the press conference and take a closer look. Ladies and gentlemen, the world's best and most outstanding super sports car, the Bugatti Chiron. Thank you very much, and vive la marque!